Only God could judge. Only God could judge. Only God.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. So these ingredients can be found in any household. So using these ingredients, you can do face mask and give your skin a glow. So I know all of y'all are bored at home, so why don't you take care of your skin? What I like to do first is cleanse my face with a face wash and then move on to the homemade remedy. That's because I don't want all the dirt or the makeup soaking into my skin. So first wash your face and then move on to the homemade product. So what you do before you start is tie your hair tightly on top and don't let any hair in your face. So you can leave your face to dry on its own, and if you don't like that, you can take a towel and slowly pat dry your face and don't rub it harshly. So firstly what you do is take 2 spoons of gram flour, which is also called as besan, and then take one tomato and mash it and get the juice out of it. Then mix them all together. Then it should look something like this. With the help of a spatula or your finger itself, take a thick layer and apply it to the parts of your face which is discolored or is a bit dark, and then use the rest of the mixture for your whole face. And do not forget your neck. I have not put it for my neck because I didn't want my top to get stained. So once you're done with this, with your finger just spread it evenly to your whole face and leave it like for 1 or 2 minutes, and after you left it for 2 minutes, just move around in circular motion and just cleanse your face, and after this wash your face. Then pat dry your face, and as you can see, few parts of my face are brightened up. First take a little bit of milk. Again add 2 spoons of gram flour. Then add little bit of turmeric. If you put a lot, your face will turn yellow. And then I add the vitamin E oil, but you can add coconut oil or any oil that you like. Vitamin E oil is very good for your skin, therefore I add just 3-4 drops of vitamin oil. And mix them all together properly. Let the paste not be too liquidy, let it be a thick consistency, and then apply it to your whole face by with seeing in a mirror, or it's difficult to apply, and don't stain your clothes. Then leave it for 10-15 minutes and do not smile or talk or you'll get wrinkles. As the mask is hardened up, just wet your hands and then wet the whole mask. So once the mask becomes soft, just exfoliate your face by rubbing in circles. Don't do it too harshly, do it gently, but keep doing it for 3 to 2 minutes and then wash your face with lukewarm water. Add some beetroot juice and then curd and stir it well, and don't drop it in your clothes cause it will stain. Make it a thick paste, but mine is too liquidy, but make it a little thick and then apply it to your whole face. Mine is not that thick, but make a thick paste and apply it to your face and then massage it into your skin for like 3 to 5 minutes nicely in circular motion. And don't forget your neck, and don't forget to put cold curd from the fridge and not a room temperature curd, because the cold curd helps in tightening your skin. And just see the glow that it gives. Now you don't need to spend money on expensive face mask. This tips comes in 35 capsules, and if you put it in a liquid, it turns into a face mask. There are 35 number just for 190 rupees from Ilahu. You can get it in Miniso as well. And then what you do is keep your rose water in the fridge for 10 minutes and not in the freezer, and then pour it into a bowl. And after you do that, put the compressed facial mask into this, and then the capsules rise up and become facial masks, soaking in all the liquid. So it becomes a huge face mask like this, and it will fit in everyone's face. Oops. And then keep it on your face. If it's not sticking on your face, then add little more liquid and then it'll stick on your face. Then leave it for 10 minutes. Then once you remove the mask, then take the rose water which is cold again and spray it all over your face. And if you don't have the rose water where you can spray it, just take the rose water and put it on a tissue and dab it all over your face, but it should be cold. And you, because it's cold, it'll lock in all the moisture of the other face mask and give your skin a glow. If you don't want to try all the masks together in one day, try it on different days. This is the before and my face is so dull. You can see it's given a little bit of glow. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe. And if you try on any of these masks, please let me know in the comment section below and tell me if it was helpful or not. And that's it. And if you want any more videos, tell me in the comment section. I'll surely shoot them for you. And see y'all next Sunday. Goodbye. If you put this on your face, it will glow. And then you have to wipe with this. Okay, bye. See you next time. And this is a water bottle. You drink water like this.